Muzen Speaker 101, Muzen Speaker Pairing. Muzen Audio is a manufacturer known for producing stylish and portable Bluetooth speakers with a vintage design aesthetic. Muzen speakers are popular for their compact size, retro-inspired looks, and surprisingly powerful sound performance. Here's an overview of Muzen speakers and their key features. Key features of Muzen speakers. 1. Vintage design. Muzen speakers are designed with a retro-inspired aesthetic, featuring classic elements such as analog knobs, leather casing, and old-school grille patterns. They often resemble vintage radios or transistor radios from the mid-20th century. 2. Portable and compact. Muzen speakers are compact and lightweight, making them highly portable for on-the-go use. They are designed to be easily carried in a bag or backpack, allowing users to enjoy music wherever they go. 3. Bluetooth connectivity. Muzen speakers feature Bluetooth connectivity, allowing wireless streaming of audio from smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. This wireless capability provides convenient and hassle-free playback options. 4. Long battery life. Despite their small size, Muzen speakers typically offer long battery life, allowing for extended listening sessions without needing to recharge frequently. Some models provide several hours of playback on a single charge. 5. Surprisingly powerful sound. Muzen speakers may be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to sound performance. Many users are surprised by the rich and full-bodied sound produced by these compact speakers, with clear vocals and decent bass response. 6. FM radio and auxiliary input. Some Muzen speaker models feature additional functionality such as built-in FM radio tuners and auxiliary input ports, allowing users to listen to radio stations or connect non-Bluetooth devices via a wired connection. 7. Durable construction. Muzen speakers are built with high-quality materials and craftsmanship, ensuring durability and longevity. The sturdy construction makes them suitable for use both indoors and outdoors, withstanding the rigors of daily use. 8. Variety of colors and designs. Muzen offers a variety of color options and designs to suit different tastes and preferences. From classic black and white to vibrant pastel colors, there's a Muzen speaker to match any style or personality. Popular Muzen speaker models. 1. Muzen Otter Metal Bluetooth Speaker. 2. Muzen Wild Mini Bluetooth Speaker. 3. Muzen Button Bluetooth Speaker. 4. Muzen Portable Wireless Speaker. 5. Muzen Retro Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Pros of Muzen speakers: stylish and vintage-inspired design. Compact and portable for on-the-go use. Surprisingly powerful sound performance. Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming. Long battery life and durable construction. Cons of Muzen speakers: limited bass compared to larger speakers. Smaller size may not fill large rooms with sound effectively. Higher price range compared to some budget Bluetooth speakers. Overall, Muzen speakers offer a unique blend of retro aesthetics, portability, and sound performance, making them an attractive choice for users looking for a stylish and compact audio solution for everyday use.